Hello traders, welcome back. This is my analysis for the Australian dollar versus United States dollar, in which I'll briefly talk about the fundamental drivers and then discuss my point of view regarding the graphical analysis and the opportunities for the week ahead. If this is your first time here and you'd like more videos like this in the future, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now let's check the economic calendar. So Tuesday for the Australian dollar, NBA business confidence. Wednesday, consumer confidence, also for the Australian dollar and for the US dollar, inflation rate and retail sales. Thursday, for the Australian dollar, employment. And Friday, for the US dollar, Michigan consumer sentiment. Now, let's see what this article is about. So mainly, it's about the fact that the US dollar is seen in a bearish trend. Now, we'll see how this applies for the Australian dollar, which if we check the charts, we can see the fact that it's not right now complying to that. But there's still enough time, so let's keep an optimistic view. I'll first look briefly at the weekly chart to get the direction and then at the daily chart for actual trading opportunities. The bias here is mainly bearish, but as I said in my previous analysis, this level is very important, so I want to see how price reacts to this level. The fact that it retraced a little from it gives me the message that the bulls might be in control. However, I can also see here that bulls tried to get the price into an appreciation but failed afterwards. So it remains to be seen. Also keep in mind these heights here, which are almost at the same level, and that gives credit to the bears. Now let's look on the daily chart. The bias here is also bearish. In my last analysis, I said that if price goes under this 0.79 level and confirms it as a resistance, will confirm the bearish bias and also trigger a selling opportunity, and I hope you guys benefit from that, as this was a beautiful selling opportunity. Now let's see the options that are left. So if in the next week price manages to confirm this 0.78 psychological level as its support, I will buy and look to book profit around this 0.7875. And here I can see that this is an important resistance level. So of course here served as a support, but now it turned to resistance, and mainly here it was reconfirmed as a resistance, and I'm waiting that here this to be a confirmation as a resistance event in the light of this last confirmation. So this could happen as a confirmation in this manner, a clean confirmation, or as a confirmation in which price falsely breaks this 0.79 level, closes under, and triggers a selling signal. The targets are around here, just above this 0.78 psychological level, so around 0.7810, 0.7820. Another option is selling in case of price doesn't manage to stay above this 0.78 with a target here around this 0.7720, 0.7730, and from here if price goes under this 0.7718 level and confirms it as a resistance, I would sell targeting just above this 0.76 psychological level. Here I have the technical correspondent, 0.7610. So this would be my first target, and my second target would be just above this 0.75, very important psychological level, around this 0.75 0.7540 level. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I made another video about the euro versus United States dollar. Remember to like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you want to get more videos like this in the future, and comment to let me know what you think and what you'd like to see in future videos. Trade well and take care.